If I want to add another image, we'll go to frame 40, and we would do the exact same thing. We turn this into a keyframe by adding a keyframe from the flyout menu. From our property inspector, we'll click on the image source button, and we'll go find the next image that we want to bring in, again, to create what looks like our slideshow. Here it is. We'll copy it to our images folder. Now we have 3 images on the timeline. Once you've added all the images to your timeline, if you want the timeline to automatically play when the page loads in a browser, let me direct your attention to the Autoplay checkbox on the Timelines palette. By selecting this checkbox, you are now adding what's called the Play Timeline action, which is actually a Dreamweaver behavior, Dreamweaver's version of JavaScripting, so that when the page loads, well, the timeline, in this case the JavaScript that's representing our timeline and in fact is the animation, will play automatically on the web page. If you want the animation to loop, play over and over and over again, click the loop checkbox, and again you'll be adding another action, another Dreamweaver behavior called the Go To Timeline frame action. So now that we've done this, if we want to preview this in a browser and see how this actually would look, we can go under the File menu, and we could preview this in a browser. And you'll notice Internet Explorer is one of those browsers I can choose to preview with. So if I choose the Internet Explorer browser, as soon as the page loads, you'll notice each image now appears to be, every few seconds, moving one from the other on the screen. We have our simplest form of a slideshow.